As a part of our surveillance drive, today we have covered 9 premises, and from these 9 premises, 2 we have asked to close down. One manufacturing unit preparing farsan, which was operating in unhygienic condition. Likewise, also a caterer which was operating without license and under unhygienic conditions. They have asked to close the operations. The others that we have checked were some suppliers as well as manufacturers, and mainly fruits were checked today again. We are here in Mapsa yard where we have done a random check, and we've also drawn samples. Also another supplier located in Madel TV area, we have also checked him supplying mangoes, and again surveillance samples have been drawn, and these will be sent for checking to check for any residues of chemicals.
कितने बंद केला तुम्ही?
बंद दोनोंच केले आहे
रेस्टॉरंट
ना, एक केटरर आणि एक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिट ते माडेल टी व्ही दोन्ही ना. म्हापशान काय बंद करूंक ना, फक्त रुटीन चॅक्स जे आसा आमचे यार्डान रुटीन चॅक्स केले आहे. सगळे आम्ही रावंड मारला आणि तसेच सॅम्पल्स घेतल्या.